boys and girls. It's Mrs. Porter from Washington Elementary School. And today we're going to be working on Lesson 15. And we're going to start off doing our words, our high frequency words that you have been working on this week. All right? So we're going to play the flashlight game. And what I'm going to do is pull the word over into the light. And then we're going to say it and read it. Say it, spell it. Say it and spell it. All right? The first word is after. Spell it. A-F-T-E-R. After. Woo. All right. The next word is grow. Grow. Spell it. G-R-O-W. Grow. All right. Well, we had after, and now we're going to do before. Before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. How about this one? Into. I-N-T-O. Into. Does. D-O-E-S. Does. No. N-O. No. Wash. W-A-S-H. Wash. And finally, that last word, it's contraction. Remember, it has an apostrophe in it. Don't. D-O-N apostrophe T. Don't. Stands for do not. Don't. All right. Now we're going to play with some sounds in words. Okay? I'm going to say each word, and then you blend the sound that matches the word, like this, okay? It's going to be one of these two words, all right? So, spool, spool. What's that word? Spool, like a spool of thread. Great. Let's look in the next box, number 2. Ain. Ain. What's the word? Rain. This one. Rain. Okay. Now we're going to do it again. The first one is, we're looking in box 3. Sleep. Whoops. Sleep. What's the word? Sleep. Yes, sleep. I may be asleep, and that's why I made a mistake. Sorry. Sleep. All right, number 4. Stack. Stack. What's the word? Stack. This is a stack of books. Stack. Excellent. All right. Now I'm going to say a word, and we're going to count the sounds in the word. And then I'm going to move the number of sounds to the box, like this, okay? So the first word is b. How many sounds did you count? B. You should have counted 3 sounds. What's the word? Rub. Yes, rub. All right, the second word is speak. Speak. 4 sounds. The word is speak. Speak. All right, number 3. The third word is state. State. 4 sounds. Did you hear the word? State. State. And the last word is hip. Hip. What's the word? Hip. Yes, hip. 3 sounds. Hip. All right, you got it. All right, our next words are our spelling words that we've been working on, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read through these, and you can write them on a piece of paper, and then you can kind of self-check them as you go through them. All right? Okay. The first word is stem. Oh, sorry. That is not the first word. I'm so sorry. The first word is stop. Number 1 is stop. I will stop at the stop sign. Stop. See if you got it. Now, if you did not get it, fix it now. Or if you need to pause the video during these, you can do that also. All right. The next word is step. Step. The baby took his first step. Number 2 is step. The next word is strap. 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 My bag has a broken strap. Like I said, if you need to pause and take more time, that's not a bad thing. I'm just going through it, so to give you time, if you need time, just push pause, okay? The next word is spit. Spit. Please spit out your chewing gum. Spit. All right, the next word after spit is split. I split my cookie with my friend. Split. All right, number 6 is slid. Slid. They slid down the slide. Slid. Whoops, showed it to you too soon. The next word is this. This. This book is about lions. This. Now, the next word is whip. I like whipped cream on my ice cream. Whip. The next word is which. Which. Which book is better? Which? All right, the next word is that. That. That book is about monsters. That. All right, the next word is stick. Stick. The dog fetched the stick. Stick. And the last word is slide. Slide. I play on the slide at the park. Slide. Great job this week working on that spelling. These words are important so you can be good readers and writers.